Hello and welcome, it's me Sergeant123 Games, and today I'm telling you guys, thank you guys for 50 plus subscribers. I really appreciate that. And today I am showing you guys 50 plus special edition of firework. Not just a special firework, it is rideable. Plus I don't wanna write it because it's not cool. Okay, it's my invention that I usually make. Look at my other inventions that I've tried to make. Well, this is the best one. Let's check it out. Oh, look, I keep falling. I don't know why, but I keep falling. Look at the rest of the bits that I just did. Watch this. Whoa, it's flying and exploded. Boom. Oh god, it's so laggy. Now look at the firework, the amazing firework. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Isn't it? Yes, it's so glorious. Clicking this stuff, I'm gonna make a better firework. So what a fish, no. So yeah, firework go! Team Rocket 1, explode! It's like the best day ever. Yes, it is the best day ever. I got 50 plus subscribers. I really appreciate that, guys. Thank you. I just can't talk a lot. This life, yeah, I'm speechless. This is my ultimate fireworks that is built by me, by the awesomeness me. So yes, thank you guys so much for 51 subscribers, and yes, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoy the firework. Holy flip. Thank you guys for watching.